Wizards. Let's check if Python's on your system. Open a terminal, command prompt on Windows, terminal on Mac or Linux, and type Python, version or Python 3, version. Let's see if Python's ready.
If you see something like Python 3.11.4, you're ready. If not, don't worry. We'll guide you through installing it step by step. Let's get you set. No Python? We'll fix that. Wizards, head to python.org and click Downloads to get Python 3.11. It's free and works on Windows, Mac, or Linux. One click to Python Power.
This is your starting line. Downloading Python is like picking up a magic wand for AI coding. Follow along, and we'll have you ready in minutes. Ready for any system, Wizards.
Run the Python installer, Wizards. Check Add Python to Path and click Install Now. This makes Python easy to use from any terminal.
Olivia, why is Path so important?
Great question. Path lets you run Python from any terminal without typing its full location. It's like giving Python a shortcut to everywhere. Windows setup's super simple. Path makes Python a breeze. On a Mac, run the installer from python.org and follow the prompts. It's quick and straightforward. Mac setup's quick and easy.
Some Macs have Python 2, but we need Python 3 for modern AI projects. The installer gives you the latest version, Wizards, Python 3 for AI magic.
Most Linux systems have Python 3. Try sudo apt install Python 3 on Ubuntu, or use your distro's package manager, Wizards.
What if Python's not there, Olivia?
No problem. Download from python.org or use your package manager. Linux loves Python. Linux makes Python easy. Package managers are awesome. Download VS Code from code.visualstudio.com and install it, Wizards. Add the Python extension from the Extensions tab. It's a game changer. VS Code's quick to set up.
VS Code is like a magical studio for your code. It highlights errors, suggests fixes, and makes coding feel like an adventure. Your code's new home, Wizards.
In VS Code, go to the Extensions tab and install the Python extension by Microsoft.
The .py extension tells VS Code and Python it's a Python file. It's like labeling your spellbook before casting spells. .py means Python power.
Let's run it, Wizards. In VS Code, open the terminal with Ctrl+ or CMD+ and type Python 3 hello pi. Hit Enter to see Hello World. Watch your code come alive.
This is your first Python victory. The terminal shows your message, proving your setup works.
It's like Python waving hello back at you, so thrilling. Such a magical moment.
Our second demo uses NumPy, a key AI library. We'll create an array to show Python's power for data science. Wizards. NumPy's huge for AI.
Here's the code. Import numpy as np. arr equals np. Array 1, 2, 3. Print arranged by. It's a simple array, but it's AI ready. Let's break down this code.
I love how this shows Python's AI potential. Let's see what each line does. So excited for this, Wizards.
The print, arranged by, line shows our array as 1, 2, 3. It's clean compared to a Python list like 1, 2, 3 with commas.
It looks so sleek. Why does NumPy skip the commas?
NumPy's designed for data science, so it uses a math-friendly format, skipping commas for a vector-like look, perfect for AI.
So, it's a fancy display for AI data?
Exactly, Olivia. It's all about clarity, Wizards.